Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Imagine stepping into your backyard and a space, a place where lush greenery surrounds you, where the gentle sound of water creates instant calm, and where every breath feels like a vacation. The best part? This paradise requires minimal effort to maintain. Today, we're exploring over 100 low-maintenance tropical garden ideas designed specifically for small backyards and luxury courtyards. These aren't just beautiful spaces, they're smart, sustainable, and perfectly suited for modern life. Whether you have limited time or simply want to spend less time gardening and more time enjoying your outdoor oasis, these inspiring designs will show you exactly how to create that dream tropical retreat. As we journey through these stunning gardens, you'll discover how the latest 2025 to 2026 design trends make tropical gardening more accessible than ever. Modern low-maintenance gardens combine drought-tolerant plants with smart technology, creating spaces that practically care for themselves while looking absolutely magnificent. Notice how architectural palms, resilient succulents, and hardy tropical foliage create layers of texture and depth without demanding constant attention. These gardens feature automated drip irrigation systems that deliver water precisely where it's needed, smart moisture sensors that prevent overwatering, and recirculating water features that add tranquility without waste. You'll see how natural materials like stone pathways, wood composite decking, and permeable pavers create beautiful, functional spaces that drain properly and require minimal upkeep. Vertical gardens maximize greenery in compact areas, while strategic mulching suppresses weeds and retains moisture. Solar-powered lighting provides evening ambiance without increasing energy bills. The beauty of these designs lies in their plant selections, native species adapted to your climate, evergreen tropicals that maintain their beauty year-round, and drought-resistant varieties that thrive with minimal watering. From bird of paradise to monstera, snake plants to ornamental grasses, each choice serves both aesthetic and practical purposes. These gardens prove that luxury and low maintenance aren't mutually exclusive. Sleek, contemporary planters, honed limestone pavers, and integrated LED lighting create sophisticated spaces that look expensive but don't require expensive upkeep. The secret is working smarter, not harder, choosing the right plants, installing efficient systems, and designing for both beauty and functionality. As you explore these ideas, I invite you to envision which elements would transform your own outdoor space. Would you prefer the clean lines of a modern minimalist, tropical courtyard with geometric planters and monochromatic tones? Or does your heart lean toward a more organic retreat with natural stone, bubbling water features, and lush layered plantings? Consider your lifestyle. Do you need a garden that thrives while you travel? Perhaps automated irrigation and drought-tolerant plants are your solution. Do you dream of evening entertaining? Solar lighting and recirculating water features create the perfect ambiance. Do you have limited space? Vertical gardens and raised planters maximize every square foot. Think about the feeling you want to create. Is it the serene calm of a Zen-inspired tropical sanctuary? The vibrant energy of a colorful paradise? The sophisticated elegance of a luxury resort courtyard? Each of these visions is achievable with low-maintenance design principles. Imagine waking up to your tropical oasis, knowing it looks just as beautiful with minimal effort. Picture hosting gatherings in a space that impresses guests while requiring no last-minute gardening marathons. Visualize coming home to your private retreat where stress melts away among the greenery. If these low-maintenance tropical garden ideas have inspired you to reimagine your outdoor space, we'd be grateful if you like this video and subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. By joining our community, you'll receive weekly inspiration for creating beautiful, functional outdoor spaces that enhance your life without overwhelming your schedule. We're here to help you create the tropical paradise you've always dreamed of, one that's as practical as it is gorgeous. Now, relax and enjoy this curated collection of low-maintenance tropical garden inspiration. Let these images spark your creativity and show you what's possible when smart design meets natural beauty.